I bet you didn't know fixing your credit could be this easy. Enter the Dispute Beast. Let's talk credit scores. Vicky's jumped a whopping 178 points. Eunice Mimi? She skyrocketed by 199. And Derek Noble? He boosted his score by 135 points. How'd they do it? With Dispute Beast, of course. Dispute Beast makes improving your credit score as easy as clicking a few buttons each month. Seriously, it's that simple. And it's not just easy, it's affordable. Sign up for free, and the only cost is the Beast Credit Monitoring Service at $49.99 a month. Plus, it's backed by a 110% money-back guarantee if you don't see results after a year. No wonder it's got a 4.7 star rating from over 1,300 happy users. So, what are you waiting for? Create your free Dispute Beast account today and let the AI attack transform your credit score. Roar on, credit seekers!